Okay, we are now recording. We're going to do a 2-box break of Luminance football. This is a random team break. So to figure out which box we're going to use, the 2 boxes we're going to use out of these 5, we'll go over to random.org and hit that up real quick. We'll roll the dice 2 times. We'll put in, let's see, we've got a 10. So we'll put in box 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I will random that 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we're going to do boxes 4 and 5. That's the 2 top numbers, so boxes 4 and 5. Let's get rid of 2, get rid of 3, and we have 4 and 5. Okay, so we got the teams over on the left. We're going to fill in the NFL teams. We will do the NFL teams first. Back over to the web page here. Put the teams in there. And we'll go with the dice at 10 times as well. So we have, as you can see, from the Vikings all the way up to the 49ers. And we will go ahead and give this a 10-time random here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so we have our first order with the teams, and then we'll do the names next. We'll get all the players involved next. Let me copy this into all right, so we got the names in. We'll do the teams. Here we go. All right, so we got Derek at the bottom, Derek at the top. You'll see your names in there, guys. Everybody is in there. And we'll give this, again, a 10-time spin to see where everybody's at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, we now have the list of everybody, and you will see what teams you have here next. Let me copy and paste the team names. All right. I don't know how to get rid of the numbers. I hate that the numbers are in there, but you guys can see who you are on there. You know what team you have. Josh, who'd you get? Josh Neely, you ended up with the Vikings. Yeah, well, hey, you never know. You could pull out a pretty decent card with the Vikings. But everybody is in there. Let me go ahead and save that. All right, I appreciate you guys for getting in the break. We're going to do this. We're going to do this. The only thing I'm going to do is adjust my focus real quick to make sure that this is ready to go for all the up-close shots of the cards. I need a demo card. Need a demo card. Make sure the focus is good for you guys. Everybody ready to do this? There we go. That should be good right there. All right, guys. Thanks again. Let's break this sucker. Do box number 4 first. Box number 4. All right. Pack number 1, guys. Good luck to everybody. Card Gem, you got the Giants and the Browns, did you? Nice, man. Tell you what, let me actually let me put those in. I wouldn't do it. I was gonna say let me put them in order by the teams, but with the numbers in front of it, it won't let me do it. All right, here we go. First up, we've got Dak Prescott for the Cowboys, Aaron Rodgers for the Packers, Andy Dalton, Mr. Tom Brady, Bradley Chubb. That is a 2 of 5. That's not a bad way to start it off. 2 of 5 on the Bradley Chubb. So the Denver Broncos, who has the Broncos up there? Denver Broncos goes to Derek. Derek gets the Bradley Chubb rookie, 2 of 5. Very good. All right, one of our first hits, we have Marcus Mariota, jersey card, jumbo patch. Keenan Allen portrait. Denzel Ward rookie card. Roquan Smith rookie card and Jester Way rookie card. Pack number 2. Travis Kelce, Jason Witten, DeAndre Hopkins, Allen Robinson, Teddy Bridgewater, and we have a Mike Gesicki autograph. Mike Gesicki, oh gosh, who the heck? I'm having a brain fart. Who's he with, guys? I know who he's with, but I can't think of it. Mike Gesicki out of 249. Dolphin, that's right. Got a Christian Kirk. Dylan Cantrell rookie card. Trey Quinn rookie card and Kerryon Johnson rookie card. Pack number 3. Yeah, I don't know why I couldn't think I had a brain fart. All right, we got a Le'Veon Bell for the Steelers. Julio Jones. Alex Collins for the Ravens. Andrew Luck. Mason Rudolph. And we have a Simmie Cobbs Jr. autograph out of 229. Simmie Cobbs Jr. out of 229. And if you guys just give me a heads up who he's with as well. Got a Roger Staubach. Cedric Wilson Jr. rookie card. Max Brown rookie card. And DeAndre Goolsby rookie card. Who's Simmie Cobbs with, guys? I'll look it up if you guys can't. Final pack for box number 1. Redskins. Okay, thank you. Appreciate you guys. Jabril Peppers. Aaron Donald. Larry Fitzgerald. Jamison Crowder. We got a Kareem Hunt blue out of 99. Kareem Hunt blue out of 99. And we have a Christian Kirk autograph. That is 40 out of 99. Christian Kirk. And again, if you guys want to give me a heads up who he's with. We got a Saquon Barkley. Alan Lazard, rookie card. Lavon Coleman. and a Ronald Jones II rookie card. All right, so for box number 1, we had the Kareem Hunt out of 99. We had the Bradley Chubb out of 5. Christian Kirk autograph out of 99. Simmie Cobbs Jr. out of 225. Mike Gesicki out of 249. And the Mariota Jumbo Patch. Now on to box number 2, guys. Actually, I should say box number 5. 2 in the break. Thank you all for getting in again. Appreciate you guys. We'll have 2 boxes left of Luminance. If anybody wants to pick up teams, I'll refresh that right after this break. I've also got 7 packs of my baseball left at $2.50 a pack. So if anybody wants to take the rest of those, we had some autographs come out of that. I think we had a redemption come out of it yesterday as well. All right, I will put pack number 2 at the bottom. And we will start with number 1 out of box number 2. Good luck to everybody. Matthew Stafford. Emmanuel Sanders. Allen Robinson. Alex Collins. Andrew Luck. And our first hit out of here is Terrell Davis. Vintage Terrell Davis with the dark navy blue patch. Terrell Davis. No number on those. We got Calvin Ridley. Auden Tate rookie card. Malik Jefferson. And Deshaun Hamilton. Pack number 2. Zach Ertz, Evan Ingram, Tariq Cohen, Christian McCaffrey, AJ Green, and our next hit is Bo Scarborough from the Alabama Crimson Tide, 92 out of 99. 92 out of 99. Cowboys. There you go. Thank you, sir. Got an Alvin Kamara. Leighton Vander Esch rookie card. Minka Fitzpatrick rookie card. And Deontay Burnett rookie card. 2 packs left. Let's get a beast. Let's get a beast out of here, man. I mean, these are some nice rookies, but we're looking for the Barkley or the Allen or the Rosen or somebody out of here, man. All right, Jimmy Garoppolo for the Niners. Josh Gordon. Sam Bradford. Chris Thompson. Marcel Adaman, rookie card. And we have our next hit is a Sam Hubbard. Sam Hubbard for the Buckeyes. 112 out of 249. If you guys want to give me a reminder on Mr. Hubbard, who he is with. Bengals, okay. Drew Brees portrait. Ryan Izzo, rookie card. John Kelly, rookie card. And Arden Key, rookie card. I'll send all the rookie cards out, guys, to anybody who had some hits. I will send out all the rookie cards. So if you got something, I'll throw it in there. If you want some of this base and you spent over 30 bucks, I will send the base to you as well. So just give me a heads up. Uh-oh. I hope we get a good one here. We might have a good one here. All right, we got a Jared Goff. Final pack, by the way, guys. Good luck. Alex Smith. Doug Baldwin. Juju Smith-Schuster. Oh, another one out of 5. Earl Thomas III out of 5. 2 out of 5 for the Seahawks. Second one we've had out of 5. Ah, darn. It is an on-card draft day of DJ Shark. You guys got to tell me, is it a decent hit or not? Who's DJ Shark with? At least we got a draft day auto. But that is our final hit right there. Finish it off, we had a John Elway, Orlando Brown with the Ravens, Duke Dawson, and a Lamar Jackson rookie card to finish it off. Well, guys, I wish we would have had slightly bigger hits, but we'll take a look at these here. We have the DJ Shark Draft Day Auto Silver. We have the Sam Hubbard with the Buckeyes out of 249. Bo Scarborough out of 99. And we had the Terrell Davis patch. I appreciate you guys for getting in. We will have 2 more boxes after this. Let me know if you guys are interested. I'll see you later.